We've been partners with WorldWide for probably 10 years. We use a multitude of their electric motors. We do a lot of HVAC applications, so we use a lot of open drip. We stock the motors without the grounding rings. We stock the grounding rings so we can put them on and make it all happen for the customer. We utilize our shop with WorldWide's inventory to make it happen. Almost always in that HVAC industry, when you're using one of those open drip motors with the grounding rings, it's powered by a variable free drive. So we have technicians that just go out and do variable frequency drive work. They can diagnose the problem, they can see if they need a new drive, we can install the drive. This is our counter area. We feel it's important to have that face-to-face conversation with our customers, so they know what they're getting. They know they're getting the correct thing. And if they have any questions, they can ask it right there. We are in the electronic world, and the electronic world is important. It only gets you so far. That assurance, that trust that comes with that face-to-face communication is important for us.